Hi everyone, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to paint a pig onto your nails. What you're going to do to start with is take a light pink polish and paint your entire nail that color and then let that dry pretty much completely. It doesn't have to be completely dry, but you're going to want it to be mostly dry for the next step. You're then going to want to take another pink polish that is brighter or darker than the initial one that you used, and you're going to make the snout. And the way that you can do that, you can actually just do it with your brush. You're going to put it on the bottom of your nail, the top of your nail, and sort of fan it out so it kind of has more of a rounded look on the top. And you might have to do that a couple of times to get the desired look. But something similar to this. And then you're going to let that start to dry, and you might have to come back and add some more color into it. But next we're going to do the ears in the same color. For this I'm using a smaller micro detail brush. There's a link down in my description to get something like this off of Amazon if you don't have it. This is a 000, but this just makes it easier to paint more of the fine details when you're doing the nail art. So put some of the polish onto your brush, and then you're going to come in. I'll admit I think that this looks better on shorter nails. These are really long. But you're going to come in and you want the ears to kind of be at a point. So I first just draw a diagonal line. It's not perfect. But then I'm going to come in at it so that that is the tip, and then sort of round out the sides so that it looks more like an ear. And you can tell with using this, I am going to have to go in and put some more color on it, but I'm going to let it start to dry a little bit and do the other ear, because if you come in right away with more polish and it's not dry, sometimes it makes the other polish start to come off. So then same thing on the other side. Gonna come in, just make a diagonal line and then sort of round out the edges to make it look a little bit more like an ear. It's okay if it's not perfect. Sometimes it's hard to do this freehand. So we'll give that a second to dry, and we can go back in on that and touch it up. All right, so after you've touched it up, next thing you're going to do is come in with black polish and use a dotting tool. You could also use a toothpick. And we're going to make the eyes and the snout. So you're just going to put some polish on the tip of the dotting brush, and you're going to come in, just put 2 black eyes there. Get a little bit more polish. So we have the eyes. And now we're just going to get some more polish, come in, do the same thing to make the nostrils. And if you want to make them a little bit more like an oval line, you can sort of smear it down. And that's it. That's all you have to do to make a pig on your nails. I would wait for this to dry completely and then put a top coat on it to protect it. It's that simple. So if you like this, please like the video, provide any comments, show me if you give it a try, and please subscribe to my channel for more future tutorials. Thanks.